Hello and welcome to a new video, this time XLBI's Excel Challenge 187 about anagrams. I've downloaded the case before. So an anagram word is a word which is made by rearranging the letters of another word. So where the jars are basically the same. So I first text split. I first split the word, then I map this word into a lambda where I split the word into single characters, sort them, and concatenate them. Sort them, concatenate them, and then you see they both words are then the letters are sorted then in this should be sorted then in the same order. And now or R for result. Now index R1 should be equal to index R2. And if this is true, it's an anagram. It's not true, it's not an anagram. Ref is also false, so I make an if error 0. And now I map all those words, lambda w, against this row here and against this function here. And now I will filter all those words against the condition there. So now we solved the challenge. So the main part here is probably the concatenation, so like the text splitting, concatenation, and then comparison here. If you think about how can I do that, this is a possible way to solve this challenge. Let's take a look at LinkedIn and what the other competitors did. Yeah, so we did a little bit differently, but basically the same. Oh, that's also a cool one. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you with the next challenge.